It's a great day for a drive in a 2021 F-150 XLT PowerBoost. This is a full hybrid. It has a 3.5 liter hybrid engine. It has a 35 kilowatt hour motor that lives inside the automatic transmission and a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery. And this battery is encased underneath out of sight and safely secured. No lumps or bumps inside the vehicle. So you have both the fuel and the battery and the motor that propels you and is also active when you're idling. As well, on this vehicle, it's got a black exterior, black sport interior with seating for 5, and you also have the driver's side fuel cap. As well, you've got the backup camera that's just above the handle, and it is a powered tailgate, so it comes down easily, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 3.5 liter full hybrid engine. It has a 35 kilowatt hour motor that lives inside the 10-speed automatic transmission and a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery that is underneath the vehicle, so no lumps or bumps. This provides energy to propel the vehicle as well as when it idles. It also is a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And this is a map of downtown Detroit. Driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, and you have these nice all-weather mats on the floor. Electronic parking brake, gas cap release, high mount light, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and you also have the release for the power tailgate. There's a grab handle and a running board that just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're gonna push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, and you notice it says ready, and that is because this is a full hybrid. So what's happening is that it is started up when it's in idle and you're about to go forward, be propelled, you're using the motor and the battery. You are not using the engine, and that's why it tells you it's ready. It's nice, whisper quiet. Now we're seeing the menu. It says My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. And then in the center here, we have our different buttons. This is the Pro Power On board. Just gonna take that off. We have our camera. So this is right off the back. Green, yellow, red is just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles. And there's your center line. Just press that. Hazard lights, traction control. And this is our main screen. And you see you have a little mini screen off to the side. So you can have this information here in our features, and then you can have these sidebars. So you can just touch through for what you want. And here in our features, we have our owner's manual, power flow, because right now we're idling, you're gonna see that. And so we're just using the battery, towing, zone lighting, pro power, and driver assistance. Now we can go into settings, same idea, you've got sub menus as well. General, you can change the different units there, Fahrenheit to Celsius, vice versa, miles to kilometers. You change the look of your display, your clock. You've got your updates and connectivity, all sorts of good stuff down there. And then as well, you've got your navigation. So the big map's gonna come up here, choose your destination, away you go. Now, if I put myself in reverse, we're gonna see that same view that we had when we had the camera. With the camera, you didn't need to put yourself in reverse. You could just take a look, see what's going on. Now you're ready to go in reverse. You got the same view. You can tell if there's anything behind you. Put us back into park. Now we can go into audio and choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You have your volume and tuner down below, and dual climate control for driver and passenger, your AC, max AC, front and rear defrost, and heated seats for both driver and passenger. Down below, you've got a USB-C and USB, and just a little place to put items. Off to the side is Pro Trailer Backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 with your drive mode and locking differential. Got the locking differential on, you can see that there. And then we have the drive mode, so as we dial through, you're gonna see it appear. So normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and let's go the other way. And you notice the icons change, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts. So as road conditions change, weather changes, or how you want to drive, you can adapt simply by going into the drive mode. And then you have your automatic select shifter. If you wanted this shifter to go down, you just press the button and it gives you a flat surface you can work on there or do whatever. A couple of cup holders, and And then we just press this again, it'll come right back up. Your armrest opens up, you've got a nice little bin, and down below is USB-C. Plug in, and then we just close that up. You have your 12-volt, 120, locking glove compartment. The upper one is just released by the button that's located here. Up top, we have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls. You also have sunglass holder, and there's a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. And grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. And you're seeing the sport badging. That just lets you know that the interior has a center console and the sport cloth. And you also have this nice tonneau cover in the rear. The backup cameras just above the handle, LED light to the right, and you have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to bring that tailgate down, you simply double click your fob. It'll power it down for you, and this is tailgate assist, so you notice it goes down nicely. Line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then you also have the ability to clamp work onto the end of the tailgate here, with these 2 slots right and left. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. And speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and there's a grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and you've got this nice all-weather mat on the floor for easy cleanup. Then to bring down the seat, simply pull the tab, and we've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and this is a sport cloth. Quite durable and nice looking. Sun pocket on the back of the front seats, and you've got a couple of cup holders, your 12-volt, USB-C, and a 120-volt. Off to the side is a grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. 5.5-foot box that's lined with tonneau cover, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.